Big package.
To Teddy from Mom and Dad.
That took a lot of paper.
Oh,
He's been waiting to open this one.
Big. That is why it's so big. Box inside.
I was waiting on that. That's why it's so big.
Hey Mom, can you go get me my pocket knife?
Dad, do you have a knife?
I think you can rip it. I don't have one in my pocket. Rip it!
Who did it? I sure did.
There you go, buddy.
Wow. What?
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
Look at this.
Wow. Oh, that
Let me see.
beautiful. That's incredible.
Thank you, Mom.
Beautiful.